Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am here with the amazing collection of shirt dresses. So basically viewers, this type of dresses is very amazing. So first go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, your family members and your relatives. So basically viewer, this type of shell dresses are versatile and stylish wardrobe pieces that combine the comfort of a shell with the elegance of a dress. These garments typically feature a shell style top with a collar buttons down the front and often a belt to cinch the waist. So creating a flattering shell dresses come in various lengths from mini to midi to maxi, catering to different preferences and occasions. So weaver, this type of beauty of shell dresses lies in their ability of effortlessly transition from casual to more formal setting. So they can be dressed up with heels and accessories for a sophisticated look or dressed down with sneaker for a relaxed vibe. So this versatility makes shell dresses a practical and chic choice for various events. So shell dresses are available in a wide range of fabrics from crepes button for a structured look to flowing chiffon for a more relaxed feel. So the choice of fabric can significantly impact the overall look and feel of the dress, allowing you to choose a shell dresses that suit your style and comfort preferences. So I hope so viewer you like this type of amazing collection. So viewers, this type of styling a shell dress offer endless possibilities. You can play with accessories like belts, scarf and jewelry to personalize your look. Adding a belt can define the waist and create a more tailored, while statement jewelry can elevate the outfit for a more polished appearance. So when it comes to footwear, shell dresses can be paired with anything from sandals to sneaker to heel depending on the occasion and your personal style. So the versatility of shell dresses make them a go-to option for creating effortless and chic outfit. So viewers, I hope so you like this type of caring for shell dresses. So this type of typically involve following the care instruction on the garment label. Most shell dresses can be machine wash or dry clean depending on the fabric. Proper care ensure that your shell dress maintain its shape and quality over time. So where you, whether you are looking for a classic and timeless piece for your wardrobe or a trending and modern update, shell dresses offer stylish solution that combines. So I hope so viewer you like this type of amazing collection of shell dress. So viewers, go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, family members and your relatives. Click the bell icon and don't forget to give me reviews in my comment section. Thank you so much viewers for watching my channel. अल्लाह हाफिज़ viewers, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआओं में याद रखिएगा और मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं कि आपको मेरी वीडियोस कैसी लगती हैं और आपको किस तरह की वीडियोस पसंद है. आप लोगों को जिस तरह की वीडियोस पसंद है मैं उस तरह की वीडियोस लाने की ट्राई करूँगी. सो व्यूवर्स, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और